What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and we are starting the video in the kitchen. I appreciate you guys for showing love on the last video. You guys absolutely killed it, for real. Like I said, I always appreciate the love, so I'm always gonna show you guys the appreciation. But we're gonna go to the gym today. I got my water jug, you feel me, and I got my energy drink. I've been drinking the primes. They've been fired, not gonna lie. Only 200 milligrams of caffeine, nothing too crazy. It has less than Celsius. I actually just swapped over my license plate. So you guys remember how the Inzane license plates were on the M340i? Yeah, I transferred them to the Supra now, so now those license plates have to go onto the Supra. So I'm about to probably go do that right now because I still haven't yet to do that. Then go to the gym, then possibly get a touchless car wash. I found this kind of down the block from my house, so we'll probably do that later. Hopefully it shows up early today. If we don't do it today, we'll do it tomorrow, but it will be in this vlog. But I did order the OBD link again to do the Bimmer code on the Supra. There's a couple things that I want to do on the Bimmer code that hasn't been done on it. The previous owner has done things to it already on Bimmer code, as I can tell, but I ordered it again just so I can do the things that I want to do to it now, as in run the tail lights. The lights, I want them to be on while I'm driving, not only when I'm like in park mode, you know? So I want them to fully be on. So we gotta code that. I want to code the mirror window when you're reversing to like lower a little bit slower. But yeah, there's a couple things that I still want to do, but we'll do that all later. But yeah, let's go do this license plate thing real quick and then head to the gym. Alright, so now we're gonna swap them. Put these on, swap these out. Gotta put the new tags on though, so let's do that. I don't know if any of you guys do this, but I usually cut it with this. I'll make lines and all that to prevent from anybody stealing my tags. So I usually like cut them up into like little pieces, so if anyone would try to steal them, they can't steal the whole thing. But has anybody else do that? I think everybody does that. If not, then I don't know why you ain't doing that. How with that? Now walk bang. Oh, I just finished my workout and I am so fucking tired right now. I am like sweating, I am drenched. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. But I think we might go get this car wash. Because low-key, it doesn't need it, but I like my car clean. Or should I wait? I don't know. We'll do it tomorrow after work, actually. Yeah, because we'll have daytime. You guys will be able to see the car looking all nice and spiffy. And then we could do the Bimmer code thing. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We got a tunnel. I don't want to roll the windows down because of the wind buffeting. As you guys can see, it is the next day. Your boy just got freshened up, just showered, looking all good now. I feel all good too. I ordered the OBD link. We have it. I'm gonna do that coding that I told you guys, so I'm gonna show you what I mean. And this is a must because I mean, at least for me, I like it. It just looks good appearance wise while you're driving. When you turn on the car and you're driving in the regular daylight, the tail lights aren't on. Like, so let's see if they're on right now. Yeah, I think they're on right now, but let me go outside because I think I'm in the garage. So let's see. Yeah, see, they're not on. So I put it in park and they're not on, as you guys can see, you know, it's because it's in the daylight. So we're gonna code it to where these stay on the whole time. I mean, it just looks good while you're driving in the daylight. Like, I hate when it just looks off. Like, I want the lights to look on. So that's what we're gonna code. I hope you guys heard that because it was loud because the car is obviously on. But we're gonna code it. So we're gonna turn it off. Alright, we're gonna get to the coating. Alright, so if you guys seen the video for the BMW when I coated it, it is the same thing kinda. So 3 times to put it in diagnostic mode. So 1, 2, 3. Boom, diagnostic mode. And then you just connect the OBD link into the connection where it goes. And then make sure you have Bimmer code downloaded. Let's see, make sure you have Bimmer code downloaded and you'll be chilling. So I was gonna get more in depth with the whole like Bimmer code and the coding thing, but I don't know if you guys really want to see all that again. Like if you guys seen the BMW, you guys know like it's kind of the same process with the Supra. But if you guys do want a more in-depth like video on that, like let me know in the comments section below and I'll do it. But I feel like right now, like I just feel like you guys probably don't even want to see that. So if you guys do, let me know and I'll make a separate video on that. Like me doing it, but I'll show you guys after the coating and all that what I did. So I just finished coating it and it works. The lights are on now, and every time I drive, whether the sun's out or if it's dark, these lights will be on, because usually in the daytime these will be off. So now they're on. They'll be on every time I drive, which is dope. I like it like that. And I also did the mirror too, so when I go into reverse, it doesn't peak down so much no more. Oh, on this side, it doesn't peak down so much. So if I go into reverse, I only did 30%. It was at 70, which was crazy, but 30% just makes it right. See, nothing too crazy. Put it in park, boom, it's just enough. Alright, so I just finished coating up a couple more things. So I finished coating up the seatbelt reminder, so like if somebody doesn't have their seatbelt off, like it's not gonna chime anymore. Same thing with like it showing like the figure of when you don't have your seatbelt. I removed that as well. Same thing for the driver's seat, so I removed that. Then you guys saw the little 30% tilt that I did on that. Then you guys saw the tail lights. Oh, and I also put the brightness. So on the Supras, the brightness comes a little like low, so you had to like also coated it for it to be like in the old school version, so it's so much brighter now, so when the sun hits it, like I can actually see it, because when the sun would hit it you couldn't see it. Yeah, did that coat, and yeah, pretty much done. Everything's good. Oh shit, even the check engine light went away, but it'll go back on in a little bit. It does that once like it gets all coated up and everything. But let's go get this car wash because the car really needs one. So, and it's not like raining anymore, so let's go get one. And bro, look at my face. I am sweating, bro, because I was sitting in the car for a minute just coating the car. So let's go get this car washed, just so I can show y'all. It doesn't need it, but it needs it, you know what I'm saying? So now the lights stay on, as you guys can see, and it's outside. It's usually off, but it looks fucking sick now that I can drive with them on. Looks so much better. But yeah, it needs a wash. Let's go get it. So I found this touchless car wash like around my block, so I'm like, why not? The car's ceramic coated, so like it's cool, it'll wipe right off, and then it's touchless, so don't have to worry about those brushes scratching the car. But yeah, that was dope. Small, but it works. And now it's cleaning it. I wish I could have stepped outside to see how it is, but I didn't want to get all wet. I was looking at it and I didn't see a way I can like hide from it. So yeah, man, I'm in the car instead. Fuck, man, this thing got me all covered up. Chill. Give it some revs in here. Oh, sorry. I'm just letting the air dry right now because I would get to the house and vacuum it, so just letting the air dry. So I just cleaned up the car, guys, and it looks good for like a little self-wash right now. It's not bad. It looks good, but the front is what I hate the most because there's so many damn rock chips that you can see everywhere. Like the front, dude, like I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's just so many damn rock chips, bro. Like it's hard. The camera can't capture it. There's so many. Like right here. Let me see. Look at all that, man. Look right there. Even my headlights are all chipped up. The bottom's all messed up. The whole paint right here is all messed up. Look at that shit. I'm trying to show you guys all the little imperfections, cause fuck, this shit is fucked. Look at all this. So So many rock chips. And it's all on the front. The whole windshield full of rock chips. But yeah, my guy who I talked to paint this whole front end, everything, same color, he said 1600, which is not bad. To repaint the whole thing, he said he'd do gloss of black on the lip. Same thing with the vents. And then he said he'd do the diffuser gloss black as well to match the front. 1600 for all that. I don't think it's bad, and I might do it because it really needs it, and I want this car to be looking tip top. Like, I hate all those rock chips. Every time I wash it, I see it's annoying. But yeah, everything I did all the coating and everything. And if, like I said, if you guys want a more in-depth on what I did with the whole Bimmer coating, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll do another video. But I think I'm gonna wrap up the video here, guys. I wanted to get rollers, but I don't have anybody to get some rollers for me right now, so can't do that just yet. But soon I will get somebody to help me get some rollers. The next video, stay tuned, because it will be on the M340i, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you guys are new, hit the subscribe button and be part of the family. This was a, you know, like a little somewhat vlog. I mean, not every vlog is gonna be exciting, you know. Unfortunately, I'm trying to put out content for you guys, keep up the entertainment, see what you guys like, see what you guys don't like. Let me know in the comments any other video ideas that you guys want to see with the M340i and the Supra. Let me know. But yeah, guys, this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.